Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is maybe the worst starting to a year in my opinion in my entire lifetime and maybe in your entire lifetime too. The coronavirus outbreak, about almost 2 lakh people are infected with the virus, many people dying all around the world, major sporting events just cancelled or just postponed. WrestleMania 36 is happening at the Performance Center without any audience. Can you believe that? And finally we are all staying at home. Ugh. Well, I was kind of bummed out about this. All my friends were bored as hell, and almost about every one of my friends just went straight back to their homes. So I thought about it, and I thought I can take this as an opportunity. What kind of opportunity? Well, I'll tell you. So hey guys, my name is Aarya. You're watching StreetStyleScape, where we talk about men's grooming, fashion in general, streetwear, and so many other things. So if this sounds like your thing, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And here I am with 10 things to do while at home. Number 1, lay down on your couch, relax, and watch some series and some good movies on Netflix. Because abhi nahi to kab chill karoge? Here are a few series recommendations that I personally like watching. Lucifer, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, Breaking Bad, Sex Education, Friends. And if you're one of those people who are like बचपन से शिनचैन डोरेमोन देखा है लेकिन अभी कोई adult version चाहिए cartoons का, then you can go for BoJack Horseman. That's a great choice. It's an adult cartoon. Number 2, learn a new language or improve your existing language. Because as oh बाप रे बाप क्या चल क्या रहा है आज इधर? Believe me, in today's day and age, communication is the key to success. As many languages you know and how good you are at your languages, it's so important in how you're gonna build your career. And well, don't ask me for language recommendations. You can learn any language you feel comfortable learning and you're interested genuinely. However, before learning any new language, make sure your English is on point, because if it's not, you should work on your English first and then go for new languages. Number 3, I know you saw this one coming, but learn cooking and eat homemade food. If you're staying with your parents and your family right now, like most of the people do, then help your parents while they cook. Learn how to cook. But on the other hand, if you're staying away from your family like I do right now, there are hundreds of millions of YouTube tutorials on so many recipes that you can learn. You can easily start cooking. But you don't have to get into too many complicated dishes. Start with something basics if you're new to cooking, like an omelette, for example. And believe me, it's a great experience. It couldn't be defined in words how great of an experience it is to make food for someone or even for yourself. It feels great when you make something and have it for your own. And the other thing would be, girls love it when their man cooks them food. Number 4, watch some documentaries. Good documentaries. They are just so amazing. They're fun and they're so knowledgeable. If you watch a documentary based on your interests, it'll just make your entire day and you'll feel so much smarter. The documentaries you watch should be something that you're interested in most of the times, but here are again my recommendations for good documentaries. Amazon Empire, Quantum Theory, The Science of Soul, and any National Geographic documentaries. They have lots of them. You can watch any of them as you want. The links for the documentaries are going to be in the description below so that you can find them easily and watch them. Number 5, again, this is kind of something that you could see coming, but it's extremely crucial. Read books. And no, I'm not at all talking about those school college wala books, not at all, because let's be honest here, those books have almost no value in real life. I'm talking about self-development books, books that are gonna shape your career, books that are gonna make you stronger mentally and spiritually too. You can also opt for mindset books. You can also go for mythological books, because hey, who doesn't love mythology? Here are my recommendations for some great books. This is the first ever book that I read. This is Mega Living from Robin Sharma. One of my favorite books, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. If you want to be an entrepreneur and want to get into those startup and business things, so this is a great book to learn from others' experiences. This is the $100 startup from Chris Guillebeau. Alright, that was lame. I'm so sorry for that. Kama Sutra by Kamdev. And The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. And The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari from Robin Sharma again. And if you're looking for some good mythology books, I will highly suggest you to read the Shiva trilogy. This is the first book in the trilogy, The Immortals of Mehula. Whatever books I've mentioned, all the links are going to be in the description below so that you can buy them. Number 6, play video games and just enjoy. Yes, life is not just about career, money, success, and all that stuff. Sometimes the little things are what counts. I know I'm going full cliche right now. We've played so many video games as kids and we enjoyed that. So let's just relive that moment, this time in full HD or 4K. Because there's so many good video games that I want to recommend. And don't tell me you've never played video games. If you didn't, you're missing out on a lot in this life, dude. My recommendations: GTA 5, obviously. WWE 2K19 or 2K18. Don't go for the 2K20 because it's shit buggy. Number 3, FIFA 20. Number 4, if you're a basketball fan, NBA 2K20. Great game again. Watch Dogs series, Borderlands series, Call of Duty. There are so many great games to play. Or you can even play old games that you played in your childhood like GTA San Andreas, GTA Vice City, Max Payne 1, or even Road Rash for that matter. Just go into that nostalgia. That is gonna be awesome. Number 7, do something that you always wanted to do. It may be a hobby, it may be something that you're passionate about, it could be anything. This is the right time. Get all your creativity out, do it, because this is the time to explore your real inner self. Like for me, it was making YouTube videos, but I was going to do that after exams anyway, but it counts as an example. For you, it could be anything. It could be any hobby. It could be reading. It could be writing. It could be painting. It could be sketching. It could be anything in the world. Just do it. This is the right time. Number 8, this is again a little obvious, but this is something that most people don't care about really. Sleep a lot. Take this as an opportunity. Take this as a break from the outside world. Sleep. Relax, because when you sleep, your body goes into recovery mode. You are relieved out of your stress. If you have dull skin or skin issues a little bit here and there, if you have headaches, it's all gonna be fixed when you have proper sleep. You will feel more energetic and there are so many benefits to sleep. Do I really need to get started on that? So just sleep. Number 9, do some yoga, do breathing exercises and fast. Yes, fast. I really said that, fast. These 3 things build your immune system. Well, you might know about the yoga and how the breathing exercises help you, but maybe you're not aware of how fasting helps you. You have just heard कि यार fast करना है, but why really? Why do we really fast? So this is how I'll basically explain it. Whenever you have food, whenever you eat in general, all the energy in your body gets into digesting that food. So it's all utilized in digesting your food. But on the other hand, when you don't eat something for about 6 to 8 hours apart from your sleep, there's nothing for your body to digest. So all that energy gets into building your immune system. That's the basic energy I can explain to you. And also by doing this, you're eating less calories. That way you can also burn some fat. This is an ancient Ayurvedic technique. Implement intermittent fasting. I feel this is the best. So what you do in this is you have your dinner before 7 p.m. and then don't eat anything until next morning at around 11 or 12. This is called intermittent fasting. Finally, number 10. Again, this is a little obvious thing to say, but none of you actually consider doing this. Put your phones and other devices aside and just spend some quality time with your family. If you're not with your family, video call them. Talk to them every single day for as much as possible. Show them how much you love them and how much you care for them. Because I know in your busy lives, even if you were not that busy, you were always with friends whenever you were out. Whenever you were at your home, you were always in your TVs and mobile phones and computers and all that. So this is the time, this is the right time to spend some quality time with your family. Because at the end, none of the friends matter, none of the other people are gonna be with you for your entire lives. Your family, that is your parents, are only gonna be there with you forever. And this is the only relationship that doesn't fade away. So make sure you spend some quality time with them so that you don't regret it later on in your life. Well, that was it for today. If you feel I missed any of the points or any things to do, let me know that in the description below. Let me know that in the comment section below. Share this video with your family and your friends. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. And let me know what you liked or did not like about this video so that I can improve this in the next videos. Again, I'll mention that this is a community-based channel. Every feedback from you people counts for me. Every single one of them. That's how I'm going to improve. That's how this channel is going to go on the top. So it will be massively appreciated if you help me on this journey, support a little bit by subscribing to this channel. Till then, stay safe, do all the 10 things, work on yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.